Krishnan, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing really well. The background is a little different. Yes, I'm sitting on my bed today. I thought it's more convenient to film this video. So guys, recently there was a Nykaa Pink Friday sale, right? And so many products were on discount. I had got a lot of products from Nykaa that time. Unfortunately, I could not film that time. I'm a little late, sorry guys, but I do have a lot of product recommendations and Nykaa has sale very often. So you can purchase that time if you like any of these. So without any further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Also guys, in today's video there are a lot of skincare products. Actually everything is skincare. I think there's just one makeup product, so I thought I will do my skincare as well as show the products as well. So let's go. So like you can see guys, I have makeup on, right? So the first product that I purchased is a makeup remover. This is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water and Oil all-in-one. Such a famous one, everybody knows this. This is so good. I have heard, actually I've never used this, which is very funny because like this is so trending in the market. I've used the pink one, which is for like, you know, normal makeup. This is for like more like waterproof makeup, and this is the first time I'm purchasing it and I'm so excited to use this. One thing guys, I've always told a lot about the Plum cleansing balm. I have told many times in my vlogs before that it is so good and such a good cleansing balm. It actually is, but I did find one fault in it. It does not remove mascara and like waterproof makeup, which is like a bummer because just for the mascara I have to use something else. It does melt the makeup, it removes your foundation and your concealer and your blush and all that, but it does not do deep cleansing like your Clinique Take the Day Off balm. So that is one bummer about the Plum cleansing balm. Although it is affordable, it is super good. It does not remove your mascara or like any waterproof makeup, so that is like a problem with that cleansing balm. So instead of that, I had purchased this Garnier Micellar Water because this is so trending and I've heard from many influencers that it is very good. So in order to use this guys, I did purchase these cotton pads. Now again, I know that a lot of people say that you should not buy cotton pads and you should use reusable makeup wipes, but I have done that for a very long time. I did not purchase cotton pads guys, but even the makeup cloth gets very dirty and you have to keep buying new ones. Actually for certain users it's good, but then you can wash it and keep, but it's not like a new use, you know, it becomes very dirty and then you have to like keep washing it very well. I did want to restock these and I feel that for removing the Garnier Micellar Water, this is the best one. So I did get these cotton pads. It came in pack of 3 and I got it at a super discounted price as well. Towards the end I will mention a little more about the pricing and all guys. So the first thing, let's use this cotton pad and remove our makeup, and then we have a lot of products to try on guys, so let's do that. So I'm taking one cotton pad and I'm using this. It doesn't have a seal or anything. I'm just gonna see if it removes mascara and all. I know it does, but you know, I wanted to try it out. It smells so good guys. Oh, it removes so beautifully guys. This is what I like. You don't have to like press too much, but still it removes the product so well. And like you can see, it is removing the eyeliner and the mascara too well. I did not apply like too much makeup. I don't even have like foundation on actually. I did good skincare. I had applied loose powder and then you know, a little bit of eye makeup without eyeshadow and blush and lipstick. So that was the makeup I had done today. Okay guys, so the next set of products is from one brand. Actually I love this brand, I've told it many times, and it is also a very affordable range, and I got so many products from this particular brand. I got an entire range actually. I really wanted to get it for a very long time. Finally I purchased during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. For face wash I have the Dot & Key Cica Calming Blemish Clearing Gel Face Wash, Salicylic and Green Tea. This is the one that I got. This range is something that I was waiting to buy because I already have a lot of products and a lot of brands send me products these days. So I was waiting to buy this and finally I thought the Pink Friday sale is the right time to buy it. So let's use this face wash guys. The smell is so good guys. It has a tea tree smell. If you have used the Body Shop tea tree facial cleanser, right? It smells very similar to that one. This is how it looks. Focus. This is how it looks. Okay guys, we're here to try out the face wash. So let's try. It has a green gel consistency. It looks like this and smells so good actually. Okay guys, I'm back. I washed my face thoroughly and it is so clean now because we did double cleansing. We have used the micellar water and also I've used the Dot & Key face wash. This is a good face wash. It cleansed very well. It smells very good. It lathered okay, not like too much lather. This face wash was good guys. Now next guys, I purchased the Dot & Key Pollution Plus Acne Defense Green Clay Mask, Cica and Matcha Green Tea. I really wanted to try this out. Focus. I really wanted to try this out and I've purchased it. It was quite trending, so I thought I will try it, and it's been a very long time since I purchased like a face mask. I've tried a lot of home remedies, I do it even now, and it's been a very long time that I purchased like a face mask from a brand. So I'm excited to try this guys. This is the packaging and this is how the mask looks. And oh, there is a spatula. I was thinking they will provide one, right? So there is this small spatula with which you can take the mask. Quite nice.
For some reason my camera isn't focusing properly guys. So this is the clay mask.
This is how it is. It has like a lid, and when you remove this, the mask is fully green. It's like a very minty green color. Let's apply this face mask guys. First let's read how to apply it.
So the carton says lather an even layer of mask all over the face, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or until dry, wash off with lukewarm water. Okay.
So we are gonna apply the mask now. The Cica range smells so good guys. This mask smells so good. Oh god. This reminds me of something which I can't think. Oh, I have a tingling feeling. I hope this is okay. This reminds me of a very familiar smell which I don't know which one. I can't remember. Okay guys, I have applied the mask. Whenever you apply a mask, don't move your face too much because it's not good. It might give you like lines, so don't do that. I have applied the mask. I didn't tell you what this does. Let me read it out.
This 10-minute wash of clay helps neutralize the damaging effects of pollution and eliminate acne from reoccurring. Much needed for Bangalore pollution. So yes guys, it's drying pretty quickly actually, and let me note the time. It's right now 1:37. I'll wash off by almost 1:45 I guess. That's not too much time that I'm keeping, but I think that's enough. Plus I have my fan guys. I got this in Thailand. So helpful. If you can get this fan, it's going to be very helpful for your skincare. I use this every day now for my skincare because once I've applied something, it helps to make it dry very quickly.
This clay mask guys is very cooling. It gave me a slight tingling feeling and eventually it went off, and it was a very cooling feeling that I had, and I can still feel that it gives a very cooling effect. A lot of products gives you like a cooling effect, right? But this one is like a little bit more. It's very cool now actually. It's nice for the summer. Okay guys, let it dry for 10 minutes, then I'll wash it off and see you again. Guys, just came to give an update. 5 more minutes I think guys, it's almost dry. 5 more minutes I'm gonna keep. I'm drinking matcha. Who am I becoming? Seriously, I'm drinking matcha. I had matcha actually, that's why I'm drinking, and it's good. I added coconut milk and it makes so much difference. It makes it more bearable actually. So I am developing a slight taste for matcha, not much. Coffee is still my priority, but yeah, I'm drinking it because I got vanilla matcha from Netherlands. So I'm drinking that, and let it dry for 5 more minutes guys, and then we'll wash it off.
A few moments later.
Guys, I am back. I have washed my face. This face mask is very good actually. It's a clay face mask, so your face does get very like tight towards the end, and after washing it's very nice, but I feel it's getting a little dry, so we'll follow the next step now. So the next one is again from Cica range guys. I have got the entire Cica range from Dot & Key. This is the Dot & Key Cica Calming Skin Clarifying Toner. This is the one that I had got. So this is how the packaging looks. I love the color of this range guys. This green is so unique and nice. It's a minty green. It's very nice. Even the mask was looking so nice when I had put it. So everything is sealed because these are new packages, and let's open it. So to remove the mask, I had used the makeup cloth. So for those things it is good, like removing a mask or something, the makeup cloth is very good. You can wash it nicely and then put it back. But for you know, products like a micellar water, the cotton pads only will work well, I feel. So that's the difference. This is how it looks. It's a green liquid. I have already used the Barrier Repair range. I've told it before. It was like a blue bottle and a very similar packaging. Everything is same except for the liquid color. And this is the Cica range. That's the Barrier Repair range that I had used. I had used the face wash, the face moisturizer and the toner. These three products I had used. But the Cica range, I've got everything literally. Whatever was mentioned Cica from Dot & Key, I've got everything in that. Okay guys, this is nice and sealed, which is good. And again, a very nice tea tree kind of smell. So good. It's a very refreshing range actually. I'm just taking a little and I will dab it in my face. Mostly around my nose area because that's where I have open pores. So yes guys, nice toner, no complaints. Since I've already used the Barrier Repair range, something very similar. It's a nice toner actually, no complaints. My face looks a little bit hydrated now after the mask. So yes guys, I wouldn't say it will vanish the pores and all that, but over a period of time the appearance might be a little bit blurry. It has green tea and niacinamide it says, so it's a good one. Okay guys, so the next product is a serum from Dot & Key again. Dot & Key Cica plus 10% niacinamide spot reduction face serum with alpha arbutin. This is the one that I had got. To be very honest, I'm not a huge fan of serums guys. I really don't like serums that much. I don't like the sticky feeling, so I use serums actually because it's a good part of your skincare routine. It's just a feeling. I'm always like, oh, I have to use serum like that. But serum really helps in fading your dark spots and everything. That's one big reason I like using face serums. This also says spot reduction, so I hope it works. So this is how the serum looks guys, and it says it has ceramide and oatmeal. So let's apply and see. So we'll just take a little bit and apply it. Oh, it's very runny. This does not have any fragrance as such. No fragrance guys, it's a fragrance less serum. Oh, this one is kind of not that sticky, but yeah, it's good. I'm applying very less. Like I told you, all skincare products guys, you have to use in minimal quantity. Don't apply too much of anything because it's an everyday process, right? So less is more always. Like you have heard this before I think, but then less is always more, and the lesser you apply, the more effective it is on your skin, I feel. So don't just apply too much, and a very little pea-sized amount of everything is enough because we are layering products, right? And if you are going to layer too much, the skin is not going to accept that, so we have to layer pea-sized amount of every single step that we are doing. Okay guys, so this is how my face looks right now. Okay guys, for the next step, that is moisturizer, I have three literally. These all are not moisturizers, but I will tell you one by one. So this is the first one. It is the Cica Calming Day Moisturizer. This is the Cica Calming Oil Free Moisturizer, non-comedogenic. So this is the first one that we have, which you apply during the daytime. After all these steps are done, this is the next thing that we'll apply, that is the moisturizer. Now again we have the Cica Calming Skin Renewing Night Gel. It's the same packaging almost. This is how it looks, and very similar packaging, but this is the night gel and that is the day cream that we have. And then we have another option, which is the Dot & Key Retinol plus Ceramide Night Repair Cream. So this is the one. This is how it looks. It's a pink jar. It's smaller than the day cream and the night gel. This is a retinol cream actually. So it's night actually right now, to be very honest. So I can use either the night gel or the retinol, but I'm thinking I will go for the Cica Calming Night Gel. And retinol probably I'll use it tomorrow. So retinol, whenever you're starting, probably you can start with 2 days in a week or so, and eventually you can increase the frequency of using that if it suits you. So for today what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the night gel. The packaging is very good. The seal is very firm and nice, which is very good. When you open it says this is your sign to break up with breakouts. Again, I love Dot & Key packaging guys. This umbrella type lid and also the spatula that they give. It is so cute. This product is actually so cute. So this is how it looks. It says it's a gel. I think the day one is a cream and this one is a gel. So this is how it looks. Transparent lid. So nice. And then, oh god, smells so good. This entire range smells very, very nice. So we'll just take a little bit and apply it all over the face. And also neck. Never forget the neck guys. You apply a small amount even in your neck. I didn't use the spatula with the hand, it's fine. So I've applied the night gel guys. This is how it looks. It's very matte. It does not leave any dewy finish, but it is quick in absorption, which is very good, and it is a very light consistency, so that's good as well. So this is how it looks. So the next product that I got in the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, guys, is the Cica Calming Mattifying Sunscreen Light Gel Cream SPF 50 plus PA++++ broad spectrum with niacinamide. This is the one that I got. Of course, we are not going to use it now because we have already used the night gel. So this is how the packaging looks, very nice and neat, and I'll show you how it looks. So this is how it looks, guys. A beautiful green and white packaging, so nice. And then if you've seen my old vlogs, then in that also I've used the Barrier Repair range, which is very similar in packaging. I think Wishcare also comes this way. I think Wishcare and Dot & Key were the first products where I felt like it's nice to use sunscreen, because anything that I'd used before that, it had like too much white cast, it was too thick, and when these moisturizers launched, it was so good and it absorbed so quickly, no white cast. And I really like the Dot & Key sunscreen. It's so watery, it's so quick in absorption. It's really nice, and plus it provides SPF 50 plus, which is amazing. So this is how it is. Look at that, it's already gone. So this is the kind of sun protection we need, not something that you have to rub your face too much. And whatever I'd used before that was that way, and I never liked it. Once I started using Wishcare and like Dot & Key, these products really did a very good job in their formulation with sunscreen. So this is how it is. Look at that, and it does not leave any white cast or anything. It is so good, just like moisturizer. So that's what we want. And this is the next product. Of course, I'm not applying it in my face because I'm pretty much doing my nighttime skincare routine, and for that we don't need this. So I just wanted to show you how it looks. Okay guys, the next two products are pretty interesting. I really wanted to try out these two products when I purchased from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. The next one is again from Dot & Key. I told you I got a lot of products from Dot & Key. Pretty much this is a Dot & Key haul. So this is the Dot & Key Strawberry Dew Tinted Sunscreen Daily Wear SPF 50 plus PA++++ in the shade 03 Sand. So this is how it looks. It's a pink packaging, not a pink, it's a reddish kind of packaging. It looks so good. And I never tried tinted sunscreen, did I? I don't remember actually, but this one was also quite trending, so I really wanted to try it and see how it looks. So this is the Strawberry Dew Tinted Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++. This is not the Cica range. So Cica range, only those many products. Everything in Cica range pretty much I got, I think. And then we had the retinol, which I showed you, and then we have the strawberry tinted sunscreen. So this one was quite trending, and I really wanted to try it. So this is how it looks. It's a pinkish reddish kind of packaging, and I will just show you how it looks, but I'm not going to apply it, of course. So ooh, that's a nice tint. Uh-oh. It has a very mild tint. I think this will look really good if you're using it for the gym, or just like a not like a major event or something. For those things, this will look really good if you just have to go somewhere nearby. I think this one is very good. Plus, a tinted sunscreen with SPF 50 plus is so good, I feel. I think they have done a good job with this. The finishing is very good, guys. It's very smooth, but the tint is very less. See, the tint is hardly there. So if you're doing like a full face of makeup, or if you want to like really glam up, then you have to use some other foundation, and then you can use this tinted sunscreen maybe if you want to. Or if you're just going to the gym, if you're just going somewhere nearby, or if you just want something very light makeup, then I think you can use this tinted sunscreen. And it's a good product, guys. I think it's a good one, and I do like the finish. It's very smooth and nice, so that's one good thing about this sunscreen. So this next product, guys, I was getting major Korean vibes, seriously, because it is a sunscreen again. I will show you what product it is, because Koreans are known for like reapplying sunscreen many times, right? So when I saw this product, I was like, it's such a comfortable product to reapply sunscreen without moving your makeup, without any hassle. So this is again the Dot & Key Strawberry Dew Sunscreen Mist Mess-Free Reapplication SPF 50 plus PA++++. All the Dot & Key products have SPF 50 plus, guys, and broad spectrum makeup friendly. This is the thing that I love the most about this sunscreen. It is SPF 50 plus, and it is meant for reapplication when you have done your makeup. That is the best thing about this product. I was so obsessed with buying this product, seriously. I was like waiting to buy this product, and I just want to see how it is. Wow, guys, look at the packaging. It is so good. The quantity is actually quite nice. I thought it's going to come very small. This is a good packaging actually, and this is a good quantity as well. So let's see how it performs. And I think once you apply makeup, whenever you want to like apply sunscreen, reapply sunscreen throughout the day. Koreans apply sunscreen every 2 hours is what I have read, which is such a dedication to skincare. Seriously, that's why their skin is flawless. And when I saw that this product has come, which is meant for reapplying over makeup, I thought this is such a good idea, because you literally don't have to remove your makeup, do your skincare and do your makeup all over again. And even over makeup, when you put like a cream or something, it's not nice, because again anyways you will have to do a little bit of your makeup, like blush and everything is going to vanish and you have to do it again. So I was very interested in this product. Let's apply and see. I'm gonna apply in my hand first. Ooh, it has like a white tint, guys, which is nice. Oh, it just vanished just like that. Smell is okay, not that great smell. Oh my god, this is such a good product. It's very watery, but I hope it gives the protection that they have mentioned. But it's a very watery product. It gives like a white tint when you spray it, and when you do this, it just vanishes so quickly, guys. I'm going to apply on my face. I've done my nighttime skincare routine, but I just want to try this out. Oh my god, am I even applying it correctly? Guys, you know what? I could not even feel that I was applying this product. It was like air. It was like breeze on my face. Oh, this is such a good product. I love this one. And you just have to do this and your sunscreen reapplication is done. Your makeup is intact if you have put makeup. This is so good. Like, I was so confused because the first time I sprayed, I could not feel it at all. Seriously. I was thinking, did I even spray it? Oh, the spray is so fine, extremely fine.
Can you see there's a slight glow after applying this? I just applied the sunscreen. I think the touch up that you might have to do is a little bit of loose powder or compact after applying this, because it might start to look a little oily. I think it's a little bit sticky when you apply this, to be very honest. Or I don't know if it's the layering of products that I did so far, but when you apply this, it's a little bit sticky. That's one thing. But the spray is so fine, and I don't mind this kind of reapplication actually. Skin looks so dewy and glossy right now, and it's nice, guys. It's a good product. I have to test it out over makeup if it's going to be this sticky. I don't know if it was the before products that I applied or if it is a sunscreen mist, but it's a good product, guys. I'll try it over makeup sometime and tell you if I can.
Okay guys, that was all the Dot & Key products that I had. There were so many Dot & Key products. We saw like the Dot & Key Cica Calming range. We did see the Dot & Key tinted sunscreen. We did see the Dot & Key reapplication sunscreen, the makeup one, and also we did see the Garnier Micellar water, the cotton pads that we got, and also the retinol cream from Dot & Key. But there are 2 more products left, and I love both of these products, guys. This is OG products actually. One of them I just tried for the first time. I've already tried it. The other one is something that I repurchased like 100 times, I think, seriously. This is nothing but the Bath & Body Works Into the Night Body Mist, guys. I have spoken about this in so many vlogs and shopping hauls in the past, and I think it's been quite a while that I repurchased it. I don't know why I didn't repurchase. My last trip to Netherlands, they took this and kept it in the airport. They told like the quantity was more, it was only so much, and they told that it was exceeding the limit, so they had to like take it and keep it. Then I had another small one that I was using and I didn't repurchase after that. So the price also was so discounted in Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and I repurchased it. This is probably one of the best body mist I have ever used, and I will continue to repurchase it ever and ever. Seriously, guys, this is one of my most favorite body mist. The smell is something out of the world. I've got tons of compliments whenever I've applied this body mist. It smells expensive. I can tell you that. It smells really expensive. It's like a bougie body mist actually. I saw a YouTube video and purchased it. Can you believe that, guys? Like long back I had seen a YouTube video where a girl she was suggesting like good body mist which smells very bougie and expensive and does not give you a headache, because that was one of the criteria I was looking for. A lot of perfumes do give me a very bad headache and it does not suit me. So I do have a lot of perfumes actually, but you know, I'm very skeptical of using it sometimes because it does give me a slight headache. So I always gravitate towards body mist, and this one is so good, guys. If you want to smell very nice, classy, bougie and expensive, then this is a very good body mist, guys. This is the Bath & Body Works Into the Night Body Mist. It's a very good one. This is the bigger size. You also get it in another smaller size, and the price difference was not too much because it was running on discount, right? So I thought rather get the bigger one, and this comes for a long time. and this is like my everyday body mist. I wear it to work, I wear it everywhere pretty much. So this is like my favorite one, and this is the next one, guys. Okay guys, for the next one, if you've seen my past vlogs, I've told 1,000 times my favorite hair oil, hair serum actually, the one that you apply after like hair wash, oil, serum, whatever. So the one that I used to love is Divine's. I have told it before, the OI oil, and it's not available anywhere. I have to go to the salon and get. I've told it many times. It's the best one that I've used so far. But this particular hair oil, hair serum, I've seen everyone talking about it and I've heard really good reviews about it. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum with 6 precious floral oils, extraordinary moisture, sumptuous softness, luxurious shine, all Asian hair types. This is the one, it's the OG product. Everybody has seen this and I applied it already. I've already tried it out. It is very good. It's actually very good. It leaves your hair very soft and shiny, and I'm very obsessed with hair serums now. I don't do without hair serum. After washing my hair, I don't apply anything else, but I definitely don't miss my serum. It makes a huge difference. That's what I've seen. If you have like hair fall or if you have very like frizzy hair, serum makes a huge difference, and even you don't get too many knots when you comb your hair. After that, it's kind of like smooth and it does not like, you know, break too much hair after that. So this one is very good, guys. I have already applied it. You know, the best part is what? It has like a locking mechanism. So this is how you apply it, and then you can also lock it so the serum doesn't come out, which is very good actually. It's like a golden bottle, looks so nice and classy actually, and I've already used this. This serum is very good. Any hair serum is very good, I feel. It makes a huge difference. I never used to use hair serum and all that, but I think past 2-3 years I'm obsessed with hair serum, and this one is the one that I'm using currently. It is very good. If you want to use hair serum, I think this is a good option. There's also a smaller size. I got like the bigger one. Okay guys, that is all I got from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Sorry guys, the sale is over and I'm posting this video very late, but the Nykaa sale keeps happening now and then. So these are the products I would suggest, and for the next sale you can save it and keep. And by the way guys, coming to the price that I paid for all these products in Nykaa Pink Friday sale, I paid so less. I also think it is the time at which you order from Nykaa Pink Friday sale throughout the day, and I think even the previous day there was an extra coupon. Always you'll have that extra 300 off, extra 500 off. When you check out, you will see that coupon. I think I ordered it very late in the night and there was an extra 1,000 off, guys, seriously. So overall the price came to very less. I think it was 8,500 something MRP. I got this for literally 4,000, guys. All these products I got it for 4,000, and it was literally half the money that I paid. First of all, the discounted products, and then they also had like 1,000 off coupons. So altogether it came only to half the amount, which was around 4K. So yes guys, that is all for this video. If you really like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in another video, guys. Bye guys.